Welcome to ACER Concept Store, where you can find a very affordable laptop.
He is ACER Concept Store,
Ayan,
Tagum
sir.
series.
Otro daw, sir. Storage. Sa madaling... Ay, mali.
This is ACER Nitro 7. If you want to know more about this laptop, watch till the end of this video. Oops, by the way, don't forget to click subscribe, okay? Click subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button if you want to get updates on my videos later on. Okay, so let's go to the unboxing. I am so excited to make another review of laptop because, you know, the first time that I created a review on laptop was like 2 months ago and it took me a while to make another one. So again, right now I have with me ACER Nitro 7 and I'm going to make an unboxing of this brand new laptop later on. And I am so thankful that I am given the opportunity to be able to do an unboxing and do a review at the same time right here at ACER Concept Store, Gaisano Mall, Tagum City. So let's go to the unboxing. Alright, so let's start the unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, so again, we have here ACER Nitro 7. Ito yan. Ito yung in-unbox ko kanina. This is very, very new. Brand new. Never been used. Well, I'm the one who has the opportunity and, you know, I'm so lucky that I'm able to open this one. It's very new, brand new. So again, we have here Mr. Henry. He is ACER Concept Store, Tagum City Sales Consultant, and he's going to help me about, you know, how to explain about the specifications of ACER Nitro 7. Actually, I love this laptop kasi for me, it's a higher type of laptop. I'm not totally a geeky type of person who knows all the specification of certain laptops. All I know is that ayoko yung laptop na nagahang. Yan ang lagi kong tinatanong sa mga sales consultants everywhere I go. On my previous video about laptop review, I made a simple review about ACER TRAVELMATE and I'm very happy with the laptop. I'm very happy with ACER TRAVELMATE. But right now, we are going to make a simple review again. Not so simple because Henry here is so well versed. He is well versed about the about Acer's specification of ACER Nitro 7 specification. Okay, so Henry, who is this laptop for? Sino yung mga dapat gumagamit nitong ACER Nitro 7? Or kanino ba talaga ito dapat?
Ang laptop ko na ito ay designed for gamers. But may mga nagte-take advantage like engineers, architects, vloggers, content creators, kasi namimit nila yung requirements nila for a laptop.
So let's talk about gamers. So ano yung, I'm not a gamer, hindi ako gamer eh. I don't even play games on my phone. But ano yung mga games na ini-install usually ng mga gamers sa ganitong laptop na to?
Usually po yung mga online, especially yung mga Valorant, Steam-based like Dota 2, PUBG, ROS, ganon, yung mga NBA. Well, kaya ng NBA po.
So how about yung engineers and architects? Ano yung mga softwares na ini-install nila dito sa laptop na to?
Usually po, ang ginagamit ng mga architects, engineers, ay yung mga rendering projects nila sa mga, like nagdi-design sila ng mga buildings, ganun. Gumagamit sila ng AutoCAD, SketchUp, which is kayang-kaya rin po ng Nitro 7 po natin.
Okay, how about for content creators like me? Vlogger, ano yung mga in-install namin nito?
Like samain nyo po yung mga video editing, like the Adobe Premiere, Filmora, Wondershare, yun. Kayang-kaya rin po ng ano natin yan, sir. Nitro 7.
So this Acer Nitro 7 is definitely, we can say na heavy duty ito, no? This is a heavy duty type of laptop. So I think I will definitely buy this laptop if I want to upgrade, you know, if I want to create very good videos on my YouTube channel, because, you know, actually what I'm using is only my phone, my iPhone, but I thought of using laptop soon because I want to, you know, up my game in content creation. Okay, so tell us something about the specifications of Nitro 7.
This specific model po ay equipped siya ng Intel Core i7 9th Gen 9750H. May 8GB na DDR4 RAM. Meron din siyang 256 SSD plus may another po siya na 1TB na HDD. At meron siyang graphics card na GTX 1660 Ti. 4GB din po yun. So, kaya kaya niyang mag-games ng mabigat, gumamit ng software na mabibigat din po.
Okay, so let's go back to SSD and HDD. Ano ba yung difference between the two? I actually explained the difference between these two on my previous video, but I want you to explain to us once again about ano ba itong dalawang to? In
layman's term po, pag start up pa lang po natin ng ating mga unit, usually po yung mga conventional na laptops or desktops po natin, pag on pa lang natin ang ating mga units, it takes 3 to 5 minutes bago nagdi-display yung mga laptops or mga desktops natin.
Actually, sometimes it's more, not only 5 minutes. Sometimes for me, you know, it's like 7 minutes. It's taking a long time to fully set up the laptop.
Opo, lalo na po pag marami na po tayong na-install na programs or marami na pong files yung mga units natin. Whereas kung naka-SSD po tayo, within 20 seconds or less, nasa desktop na po yung natin, naka-open na po yung desktop natin.
Okay, since you are telling me kung may SSD yung laptop like this one, this laptop has both SSD and HDD.
Yes po.
So that means
mas advantage po siya kasi yung programs mo, pwede mo lang dun sa SSD nakalagay, tapos yung HDD mo, gawin mong storage, yung files mo, videos, pictures, or movies.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so let's go back again yung sinasabi mo na mabilis siyang start up. Let's turn on the laptop. Let's see kung ilang seconds. Fresh. This is fresh. Oh my God. Ilang seconds yun?
Hindi pa po ito, hindi po yung joke kasi fresh po siya. In-open po, wala pa rin po siyang mga programs.
This is really fast. It's definitely fast. So again, if you are to install something here, like mga softwares to be used like AutoCAD or something like that, it will take like 5 minutes or lesser than 5 minutes. I think so.
Mag-install.
Hindi siya 5 minutes eh. I think it's lesser than that. I think 1 minute or 2 minutes kung may ma-install kayong software dito. And then when you turn it on, it will not take a long time for the laptop to fully start up. Okay, so what's next? Let's talk about the battery life of this laptop.
Battery life po niya, medyo matagal po tayo. Nasa 7 to 8 hours po siya ang gamit natin kung wala siyang charger. Usually, charging time niya is 2.5 hours. Okay,
question about sa keyboard na light. Di ba may light siya? Is there a may mga model ba na Nitro 7 na walang keyboard light?
Nitro 7 is equipped with a key backlight.
Key backlight, that's the term. Key backlight.
Meron na
That's
po
something
sila
new.
lahat.
Key backlight. I like that. Okay, so Henry, tell us something about the input and output on both sides of this laptop.
Dito po sa side na to ay may LAN port, may HDMI port. Kunyari po may extra kayong screen, pwede kayong mag additional screen gamit ang HDMI. May Thunderbolt, may dalawang USB 3.0 na port. Dito po sa kabilang side na naman po ay may headset jack, USB port at yung charger at dalawang indicator niya sa battery at sa power.
Alright, so one thing that I notice about laptops is that meron siyang yung parang cooler, di ba? Built-in na cooler. And the longer I use the laptop, mas maingay yung cooler eh. So, what about this Nitro 7? Maingay ba yung cooler nito? Or, I also know from my research na yung Nitro 7 has actually para siyang monitor. It has a monitor for the cooler.
Ito po yun, sir. Pipindutin lang yun natin yung Nitro Sense na button at lalabas na po yung monitor ng kanyang fans po. Tapos, kung medyo heavy yung use na programs na ginagamit nyo, pwede nyo siyang i-max. Yan po. Or sa tingin nyo naman, hindi naman masyadong mabigat yung ginagawa nyo, lagay nyo sa custom. Pwede nyo pabagalin. Yan. Yung standard niya. Pero kung easy lang, i-auto nyo na lang po para kung uminit siya ng uminit, siya na rin yung mag-a-adjust sa sarili niya kung lalakas pa siya o hindi.
So again, you have a choice. It's either you can do it manually or automatically.
Yes po.
So maganda talaga ito because I don't think other types of laptops have this feature. I'm not gonna say about other brands, but how about other models ng Acer, like Predator? Meron ba ganitong feature?
Meron din po, yung Predator especially, pero yung mga ibang laptops wala na.
Okay, so Henry, how much is Acer Nitro 7?
Available po yung model natin na Nitro 7 dito sa Acer Concept Store sa Gmall is 89,990 po.
89,990. Again, you can buy Acer Nitro 7. The particular type of model of this one is AN515-51786X. I'm not really sure how to say it, but ito yung model ito. So this is worth 89,990 right here at Acer Concept Store, Gaisano Mall, Tagum City. So this is Acer Nitro 7. This is a perfect laptop for gamers. I would definitely recommend this laptop for gamers and also for engineers, for architects, and for content creators like me. So I will definitely buy this laptop if I have the money later on, because this is actually my first choice, but I went for another type of model, Acer of course. So guys, don't forget to click subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to get updates on my videos later on. So that's all for now, and see you next time.